If your team still spends hours wiring APIs by hand, you're already obsolete. The global low-code market roars toward a $65 billion peak by 2027. n8n isn't a buzzword, it's the self-hosted rebel against proprietary giants. Over 400 native integrations, no vendor lock-in, complete control behind your firewall. Gartner warns 40% of enterprise apps will embed conversational AI by 2026. n8n's AI nodes retrofit legacy systems in under 30 minutes. Manual data triage at scale. That's a relic from the 2000s. LangChain and VectorDBs teamed up with n8n in 2024 to build autonomous agents. These agents chew through unstructured data 10x to 20x faster than human ops. Engineering teams report a 90% time to production reduction with node-based flows. Forget custom Python scripts. Visual nodes cut debugging cycles in half. Cloud-only payload limits 50 MB. n8n swallows 100 MB files on-prem. High-speed processing of large media and datasets without choking on API calls. Zapier's task-based fees. Enterprises bleed millions on volume workflows. Switch to execution-based or self-hosted and cut automation costs by 80%. Low-code platforms hit $65 billion by 2027, according to Markets and Markets. n8n's Fair Code license sparked a 40,000-strong community of node builders. Custom nodes for niche ERPs and CRMs appear within days, not months. 70% of enterprises now demand data sovereignty. n8n self-hosted ticks that box. SOC 2 and GDPR compliance live behind your corporate firewall. Sub-second latency webhooks power real-time inventory updates. That's effectively 100x faster than manual spreadsheet hacks. Invisible IT tasks like user provisioning evaporate under automated workflows. DevOps ticket volume drops 40%, freeing engineers for core product work. CLI and API support push n8n into CI/CD pipelines seamlessly. Hyperautomation will be table stakes by 2025 for 90% of enterprises. n8n brings software engineering rigor to every automation step. Combine JavaScript snippets with visual nodes to bypass UI limits. Pro-code and no-code converge, boosting dev speed 10x. Don't choose between code purity or drag and drop. Choose both. In 2024, n8n unleashed its advanced AI suite with LangChain integration. Autonomous agents now automate workflows end-to-end with zero human touch. They triage support tickets 20x faster than manual teams. They scan contracts, extract terms, and trigger legal workflows instantly. Processing unstructured data is no longer a bottleneck. It's an advantage. According to n8n benchmarks, AI nodes handle 1M texts per hour. VectorDB indexing slashes search times from seconds to milliseconds. Combine ChatGPT or custom LLMs directly within your flows. Win back your data pipeline with local AI processing. No egress fees. Enterprise scale meets AI scale in a single open source tool. Agents monitor logs, detect anomalies, and auto-remediate incidents. Error trigger nodes cut MTTR by 60% with rollbacks and alerts. Real-time incidents hit your team's channel before anyone notices a failure. You get built-in chaos engineering with each flow iteration. Autonomous AI isn't optional, it's the new baseline. Self-host behind your firewall, keep GDPR and SOC 2 auditors happy. Switching to n8n's execution model slashes bills by up to 80%. Typeform and Glovo manage millions of monthly executions seamlessly. They tweak business logic in minutes, not multi-week sprints. 5 analysts on n8n-driven workflows reclaim 1,200 human hours annually. That's a 10-fold productivity boost in just one department. Data sovereignty isn't sexy, but losing your data is fatal. Self-host behind your firewall, keep GDPR and SOC 2 auditors happy. No more third-party egress fees. Your data stays yours. CapEx or OpEx. n8n flexes to match your accounting model. Self-hosted costs flatten out as your workflows scale. No hidden fees, no usage surprises, just predictable automation spend. When your workflows grow, your ROI compounds exponentially. Fortune 500 compliance teams sleep better with self-hosted control. Your CFO will thank you when the quarterly audit rolls around. Typeform slashed their integration pipeline deployment from weeks to hours. Glovo automated restaurant onboarding in minutes, not multi-day cycles. An e-commerce giant processed 2 million images daily via n8n's binary nodes. A media company edited video segments on-prem with sub-second latency. A bank triggered real-time fraud alerts using webhook triggers. IT teams reduced ticket backlogs by 40% with invisible workflows. A startup saved $200 annually by migrating off proprietary task pricing. Community node contributors released 150 niche integrations last quarter. A telecom giant embedded chat AI into legacy billing in 20 minutes. Gartner's 2024 report calls this hyper-automation the next industrial revolution. Clients report NPS jumps after replacing manual scripts with n8n flows. McKinsey data shows digital transformation triples ROI when automation is core. Remember Kodak? They missed digital workflows and vanished. Don't be the next cautionary tale. Embrace 100x speed today. Your competitors are already 2 sprints ahead with n8n. By 2026, embedding AI won't be optional. It'll be survival. Hyper-automation will decimate slow adopters like a silent storm. Your digital transformation roadmap must start with n8n or stall. Every manual workflow you tolerate is a time bomb ticking down. Data breaches lurk in every cloud API call you can't control. Edge AI, on-prem processing, and fair code licensing define winners. n8n checks all the boxes: speed, cost, control, and compliance. Now ask yourself, are you automating or just paying lip service? Because in 2 years, slow equals dead weight on your P&L. 100x speed isn't hyperbole. It's the new corporate heartbeat. This isn't technology for show. It's technology for survival. The question isn't if you'll adopt, it's how fast. Right now, competitors are drafting battle plans around n8n. Don't watch them cross the finish line while you're still tying laces. Ready or not, the automation era is here. Will you lead or follow?